student. Today I will talk about The Necklace. It is a very popular short story written by U.D. Maupassant. In this story, there is a discussion regarding to ironic ending. This type of ending was a hallmark of author's style. The story took place in France several hundred years ago. The story tells that one must be satisfied and content with what one has. Also, one must not hide the truth. In this story, Mathilde Loisel faces a very hard time as a result of her desires. A lady, Mathilde Loisel, lived in a flat with his husband. He worked as a clerk for the Ministry of Education. They were not able to live in a luxurious life. However, they were not poor, merely simple. However, Mathilde's desire was to be rich. She felt irritated, disappointed, and sad of not having a large house. Moreover, she desired to have good dress, lots of jewelry, which made her sad. One day, his husband brings her an invitation to a fancy party. It was an invitation to the ball. He thought his wife would be very excited about seeing the invitation letter. However, his wife, instead of being happy, threw away the invitation letter and started crying. She complained about not having a pretty dress to wear on such a great occasion. She wanted to seek admiration for everyone. Also, she wanted to be a success at the party. His gentle husband gave her 400 francs to buy a pretty dress. He had saved the money to buy a rifle. The week of the party approached. His wife seemed to be anxious again. She was upset as she felt that she did not have any jewelry to wear with the dress. Her husband suggested her to ask the same from his friend, Zene Frostier. Mathilde went to her house and borrowed a sparkling necklace. Mathilde, along with his husband, enjoyed a lot at the party. She was successful in seeking everyone's attention to her. Then they headed for some during the odd hours in the morning. On reaching home, Mathilde was surprised on not finding a necklace around her neck. They both felt that it might have fallen down in the cab which they took to reach home. He searched on the streets they had come through. Moreover, he approached the police, gave advertisement, but all in vain. Her husband asked her to write a letter to her husband. Friend, she wrote that she had the clasp broken and is getting is repaired. Meanwhile, they were successful in searching for a similar necklace. However, it cost 36,000 francs. His husband has inherited 18,000 francs from his father. However, they had to borrow the remaining money. They managed to buy the necklace through inherited and borrowed money. But it took them a period of 10 years to repay the borrowed amount. In these years, their lives have drastically changed. They moved to a smaller apartment, cleaned and cooked herself. Moreover, his husband did multiple jobs to repay the amount. Also, she looked like a strong woman of a poor household. She looked very aged. One day she saw Miss Zine Frostier on the free street. She decided to tell her the truth about the necklace. The latter was stunned by the rough appearance of the farmer. Moreover, on learning the truth of necklace, Zine Frostier told that it was a fake one. The worth of the same was no more than 500 francs. The story tells us that one should not crave for luxurious One must be satisfied and contented with the what one has. Desires lead to unhappiness. Moreover, we should not hide the truth. Students are advised to do NCERT questions and one long questions as well as extra based question in notebook. Thank you.